I want to start with something very real. There was a time when I Googled how to get into tech almost every single day. Not once, not twice, but constantly. I watched videos, I read threads, I saved bookmarks. And before we go any further, if this already sounds like you, please like this video, share it with someone who's also trying to get into tech, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss conversations like this. Now back to this. Every time I felt like, okay, now I get it, I'd see something else that made me feel like I didn't. One video would say start with cybersecurity. Another would say data analysis is safer. Then someone else would say cloud is the future. And suddenly I'm back to square one. That phase feels busy, but it's actually very confusing. Because you're doing a lot, but you're not moving. And the worst part is, it feels like you're behind. Like everyone else knows something you don't. That's when I realized something important. The problem wasn't that I wasn't trying hard enough. The problem was that I was consuming too much information with no direction. I wasn't learning, I was just collecting opinions. And when you're stuck in that phase, even a free cybersecurity class can sound like just another thing, instead of the structure you actually need. And just to be clear, if you're looking for that free cybersecurity class, the link is in the description. You don't have to search for it or guess. Now back to this. Every option feels urgent, every tool feels necessary, and you keep restarting over and over again. So at some point, I stopped Googling. Not because I had all the answers, but because Googling was no longer helping me think. Instead, I did something simpler. I stopped asking, what's the fastest way into tech? And I started asking, what is one clear path I can actually follow? That question changed everything, because when you narrow your focus, your mind calms down. You stop jumping from topic to topic. You stop feeling like you're late. And you finally start understanding how things connect. That's the difference between random learning and intentional progress. Random learning keeps you busy. Intentional learning moves you forward. And this is where guidance matters. Not motivation, not hype, guidance. When someone shows you what to learn first, what to ignore for now, and how the basics actually fit together, you stop guessing. That's exactly why we created our free cybersecurity class. It's not there to overwhelm you. It's there to give you structure. So instead of watching 10 random videos, you get a clear starting point. You understand the fundamentals, and you can finally decide, with clarity, if cybersecurity is even the right path for you. If you've been stuck in the Googling phase, this free cybersecurity class is meant to help you break out of it. The link to join the free cybersecurity class is in the description. Now before you go, if this video helped you see things differently, please like it, share it with someone who's still Googling every day, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're ever unsure or feel stuck again, come back here, you're not doing this alone.